Hyundai is completing the development of the next-gen Palisade, which is set to reach the U.S. market next year. In typical Hyundai fashion, the company is reimagining the SUV for the future generation with comprehensive changes to the design, interior, and powertrain. Before we move to the details, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with future hybrid SUVs. Hyundai engineers are testing prototypes of the new Palisade in the US and South Korea. It will retain the boxy practical shape that maximizes passenger and cargo volume. As seen in our rendering, the vehicle will feature a grille with horizontal slots, vertically arranged headlamps, and a flat hood. The silhouette is expected to have the sensibilities of a Range Rover with large wheels, flared fenders, raised roof rails, and a generous glass area. Test prototypes also reveal a longer wheelbase, which should differentiate it further from the new Santa Fe, improving passenger room in the second and third rows. As for the interior, the next-gen Palisade will arrive with wholesale changes. Similarities to the new Santa Fe include the new 3-spoke steering wheel and column-mounted gear selector. Unique to the next-gen Palisade is a wide digital cockpit embedded into the dashboard, which appears to stretch much further into the passenger side, and a floating center console that could move back and forth, as seen in the Ioniq 5. The digital real estate on the new Palisade is expected to reach 30 inches, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with OTA updates. Additionally, features like Digital Key 2, wireless smartphone chargers, a head-up display, a premium audio system, and power-folding rear captain seats should be available. ET News adds that Hyundai is developing 7, 8, and 9-seater versions of the new Palisade, and we imagine that 7 and 8-seater variants would be suitable for the U.S. market. According to ET News, the new Palisade will be the first Hyundai Motor Group vehicle powered by the next-generation 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain. The new hybrid system, developed for mid-sized and large vehicles, will also replace the Palisade diesel that is sold in some markets. ET News also reports that the Theta 3 2.5-liter turbo gasoline engine will be paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It will feature a larger battery pack and electric motor than the current 1.6-liter system, which powers the Carnival and the Tucson hybrids. We're expecting the Palisade Hybrid to offer 25 to 30 miles per gallon, with the system output exceeding 300 horsepower. ET News has also learned that production of the new Palisade has been advanced from January 2025 to December this year. The South Korean publication has learned that North American sales will commence in the second half of next year. If this schedule holds, the next-gen Palisade will be a 2026 model year vehicle in the United States. When it arrives at dealers in the U.S. in the second half of next year, we expect the all-new Palisade Hybrid to start at around $45,000, with well-equipped variants nearing the $60,000 mark. It will compete with the likes of the Toyota Grand Highlander, Honda Pilot, Mazda CX-90, and the next-gen Kia Telluride. What features or options are you most looking forward to in the next-gen Palisade? Give us your comments below, and we'll see you in our next video.